We've all heard of placebos, right? A placebo is a pill that you take and it's not actually the real pill. So when they do the double-blind test, where they give them a real pill and they give them a fake pill, and they see if the real pill actually does anything, right? Well, if you look at those tests backwards and you look at the placebos, depending on what the issue is, the placebo pill actually changes patients and improves their health between 15 and 72% of situations, where it actually creates an increase in whatever it is the problem that they're trying to solve, which is fascinating. So you look at that and you go, okay, well, why does that work? Well, the placebo works because the person takes something and they actually believe. They believe inside themselves that they're taking something and that they're gonna get fixed. And that mere belief, that mere idea is what helps them to get better. What helps them to get better, 15 to 72% better, more than the people that don't do anything about it, the people that just are out there in the world that aren't trying to treat it. But what's interesting about that is, if you can get 72% effectiveness by just taking a pill and not even just thinking that it's going to make you better, what could you do if you harnessed that power and actually had control of it and actually had deep recognition of it and could use that in your life what if you had support around you beyond just you taking a pill to believe that you're going to get better? What if you had all these different things? Well, that's what we provide for you. That's what we teach you at the Formula EQ Academy. So these are actually things that we can learn in our life, that are skills that we can use to upregulate our bodies, to upregulate our systems, to upregulate our mood, our ability, every single thing that we do in life. So if you're interested in this, if you're interested in hearing more about this or exploring it or working on it in your life and upping your level 15, 72%, 90%, whatever you decide, because it's your choice and you can actually take control of this, and I can help you and my partner can help you. We can help you get there and show you how to do this if you join the formulaeq.com Academy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this inspired some thought and some ideas that you haven't thought about this week, and I appreciate you and I look forward to talking to you in the future.